Check this out!
Johnny, it's just an elevator. It's like it's your first time. Huh? Whoa, look at that awesome view!
Look right there! We can see City Hall!
I see it!
Hey, you guys! You're not supposed to lean on there!
Ugh. Are we there already?
Not yet. What happened? Do you think that it's broken? Hey, you guys, you all right? So how do we get out of here?
I have an idea. Somebody help! We're stuck inside here!
Anyone? Can you hear us? Try to calm down. We don't want it to fall any farther. Then how do we get out? Emergency! Emergency! Rescue team members, get ready to move!
Right, Jen!
Polly, you're all set!
Go, Roy! Right! Roy, prepare the crane. Right! Are you guys all right?
Polly! We're so glad you're all safe. Thank you for saving us.
Charles, that's quick thinking pushing the emergency button.
All set. The elevator should be good to go now.
It's all fixed? Charles, let's go play video games.
Come on, Charles.
Hold on. We're supposed to do our homework.
Hey, you kids, don't run in the elevator, remember?
Oh, yeah, that's right.